these simultaneous equations. For simultaneous equation, about two methods that we can use. We can use the method of elimination or the method of elimination or the method of substitution. Right. So when we take the first one, for example, like this, when we have 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4y equals 18. Then we have 4x plus y equals 5. So with this one, we can name this one, that is equation 1, and this equation 2. Right, so that is equation 1 and equation 2. So I want to go by elimination method. Let me use substitution first. Let's see, so here from equation 2, which is 4x plus y equal to 5, I will make y the subject. Can make y the subject from here. So we have y, transfer this to this side, 4x to the right side. So y will be equal to 5 is already here. So we have minus 4x minus 4x. So we can name this one your equation 3. Right, so from here you substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Don't put it in the same equation that you made the subject. Make sure that you substitute it into a different equation, that is equation 1. And so that will make it simple for you. So you make y the subject here, transfer, that is the 4x to the right side. So you have y is equal to 5 is already here, so that will be 5 minus 4x. So this will give us the equation 3. Right. So from here, you substitute equation 3 into equation 1. You don't have to substitute it into the same equation 2 that you made y the subject, but it should be a different equation, that is equation 1. So substitute equation 3 into equation 1 So what it means is that in equation 1, wherever we see y, this y, we are going to replace it with what? 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x. So here we have 3x already here. So minus 4. Instead of the y, now we are going to replace it with 5 minus 4x. So that we have all x in the equation So you substitute it to it like that, then equal to the 18. So the only thing we did is to substitute the equation 3 into equation 1. And so here, instead of y, we replace it with what? 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x. Right. So from here we have 3x. You expand or you solve with 3x. Then we have minus 4 times 5. So that will give us minus 20. Then minus 4 times minus 4x. Negative will give us addition. So that will be plus 16x equal to our 18, which is already here. So from here, we group the like things. We have 3x plus 16x, which is already on the left side of the equation, equal to 18. Then you transfer the 20 to the right side, so that becomes plus 20. So from here, we have this 19x as 3x plus 16x. That will be 19x equal to, this will give us 18 plus 20. That will give us 38. Right, so to solve for x, it's simple now. So we have 19x divided by the coefficient of x, the number attached to the x. So that is on 19, then 38 also on 19. So this cancel this, 19 cancel 19. Then 19 into 38, that is 2. So we get x to be equal to 2. Right, x to be equal to 2. If you're able to solve for one of the letters like this, then the rest is simple, obviously. So here we can put equation x equal to 2 into equation 3 to solve for y. For equation 3, we have y equals 5 minus, that is what, 4x. So y is equal to 5 minus, instead of x, now we have 2. Right, so y equals 5 minus 4, 2, that will give us 8. So y will be equal to 5 minus 8, that's negative 3. So therefore, you have your x to be 2 and y to be, that is negative 3. I hope it's very clear. So what I want all of us to do is that we have been able to solve A. So take a look at the B and C. You solve it, then you tell us the answers in the comment section. Tell us your answers for X and Y in B, then A and B in C for us. Good. So now we want to move to indices, equation of indices. I think we have all seen this before, and we are going to try it. You can try this question, then you tell us your answers in the comment section. Yes, comment, like, and share so that others will get benefit of what we are learning here. Right, so let's look at what to do here. Now, with this one, we have 4 2x minus 1 equal to 1 on 16 exponent 4. Right. Yeah, somebody has give us the answer. That is minus 3.5. That is for our previous topic, that is simultaneous equation. So kindly tell us the number so that we will know. You tell us either it is B or C that we are solving. I don't know whether it is this one that we are giving us the answer. All right, so let's all solve it and see. We have 4 exponents as 2x minus 1 equal to 1 on here to express 16 as exponent of 4. That will be 16 is 4 times 4, so that will give us 4 squared. So we have 4 squared, but we are already having an exponent of 4 here, so you attach it to it like that. So the 16 will become 4 exponent 2, so that is 4 times 4, giving us 16 there. Right, so with this we have 4 exponent 2x minus 1 equal to 1 on 4 exponent 8. 4 exponent 8. Right, so with this you have to interchange, use the reciprocal. Have to use reciprocal to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So you rewrite this 2x minus 1. By here we having 4 exponents. If you interchange the numerator and the denominator, that becomes negative. So the 1 comes down, 4 exponent 8 goes up. But because we have interchanged it, the positive becomes what? Negative. Negative, right? So with this, you have 4 exponent 2x minus 1 equal to 4 exponent negative 8. Any number on 1 is the same as the number itself. So since the base are the same, we equate the exponent. We have 2x minus 1 equal to minus 8. So from here we have 2x equals minus 8. Then you transfer this, that what? Plus 1. Plus 1. So 2x equals, that is minus 7. So we divide by 2. So this cancel this. Then we have minus 7 on 2, which is negative 3.5. Alright, so I think you are correct. Minus 3.5. That is the correct answer. Right. Now, we want to look at these standard forms. So if you can solve it and tell us the answer, solve it and tell us the answer. right? Here, the A, we have 96.31. So to write the answer, standard form, the number should be between 1 and 10. So these are very simple questions. I think we can all provide the answers in the comment section. We should all be able to provide the answers in the comment section. So try and do that for us. So here, to express this number between 1 and 10, the decimal point need to be shifted in between the first two natural numbers here. So that becomes 9.631 times 10. That is exponent. Because you shifted only once, that will be exponent 1 positive. That will be exponent 1 positive. Right? So you should all solve it and give us your answers in the comment section. Look at the question B, C, D. You can write the standard form for us in the comment section, right? As we are solving it here. So you have the B, we have 0.000768. So to write this one in standard form, the decimal point need to be shifted to in between the first two natural numbers, that is 7 and 6. That is 7 and 6. Who has been able to solve it? Who has been able to solve it? You can give us the answers there. Since no one is providing the answer, let's solve it. So here you shift to the decimal point, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 7.68 times the constant number 10, and here we shifted 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the exponent is negative. Negative because this 0.000768 is a number less than 1. So anytime the number is less than 1, the exponent becomes negative. Some people will be saying you shift to the left side, shift to the right side. If you don't take care, you forget it. So that's a standard form for the B. So C, with the C also we have 498473 in standard form. Can you try that one? Write this number in standard form: 498,473 in standard form. Right, so let's look at it. The first two natural numbers, the decimal point should be there. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to shift it 5 times. The decimal point is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that becomes 4.98473 times 10 exponent, because we shifted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be positive 5. Positive 5. Right. So the last one, which is 0.352, I will leave that one with you so that you solve it. You write your answer in the comment section for us. Now we want to move to a more simple but complicated one for the standard form. Here we have to evaluate need to evaluate 0.0048 times 0.81, and we leave your answer in standard form. Leave your answer in standard form. I think I have explained this one earlier in one of my lessons, and so if you can try it, it will help. That we are solving it now. So let's look at it. We have 0.0048 times 0.81. Yeah, so the first thing to do is to multiply the numbers, but we are having decimal place here. To get the 48 out of this number, you have to shift the point. You need to shift the point like this. Shift the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, someone have given us the answer for this one. All right, so that is good. At tutor 1958, the answer will be 3.888 by 10 exponent negative 3. That is very good of you. That is very good of you. So with that, we are not able to solve it. Let's work it here. So here you are having 48. To get a 48, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right? So we are having 4 decimal place here. Then with this, you have to get a 81, you are having 1, 2, you have to shift it 2 times. So in all, we are having 6 decimal place. We are having 6 decimal place, right? So to multiply this 8, this is 4. 1 by 8 is 8, 1 by 4 is 4. 8, 8, 64. So 4, the remainder is 6. We have 8 by 4, that will give us 32. 32 plus 6 as 38. So we get 8, 8, 8, 3. Right. And because we are having 6 decimal place, 6 decimal place, we have to shift the decimal point. We shifted it forward, so you shift it back to get your correct answer for the decimal. So 3, 8, 8, 8. Now remember, you're having 6 decimal places that you shifted forward before we were able to multiply the number. So you bring it back so that you get your decimal. So you start from the end of the number like this. They shift 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So your point will be here. Then the x will be 0. So this will give us 0.00388. Right, so that's the decimal. To write the answer in standard form, that becomes 3.888 by 10. Then you have to shift the decimal point in between the first two natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So that is negative 3. So I think at tutor 1958 had the answer again. That is very good of you. Right, we want to move to the next topic. Yeah, this is it. Cone Yes, that is also for grade 7 to 8. So here we can see clearly that we have a diameter there 14. The diameter is 14. The perpendicular height, that is 9. Then the slant height is 7. The slant height is 7. So we have been given 3 questions under this cone to calculate for the volume, the base area, and the curved surface area. So if you can try it again and tell us the answers in the comment section. Yeah, tell us the answers in the comment section so that we look at it. Right. But let's keep solving as your answers are coming. Right. Take our time to explain it for you to understand. Right. So volume. Like I said, let's write our preamble. So in this question, I've been given diameter to be 14 meters. But I need the radius, because of the formula, I need a radius. So we all know that the radius will be half of the diameter. So diameter on 2, the formula for radius is diameter on 2. So that will be 14 on 2, giving us 7 meters. Now, so we also have the height, the perpendicular height given as 9 meters. Right. Then we also have the slant height, which is L, as 7 meters. Right. So we want to look at the volume first. Okay, so volume, the formula for volume of a cone, we can tell us, well, let's write it, 1/3 pi r square h. That's the formula for volume of a cone. 1/3 pi r square h. I hope it's clear. Good. Then we have 1/3 times pi, that will be 22 on 7. Pi can take the fraction or the decimal. The fraction will make our work simple. Then the radius is now, that is 7 squared. So radius is 7. So that is 7 squared. And the height is 9. The perpendicular height is 9. Right. Okay, so we have Tutor 1958 as our brother from India, giving us the volume to be 462 meters cube. You are doing very well there. Yes. So the rest also should try and give us the answers as we are working. We are all learning. So here we have 1 on 3 by 22 on 7. Then 7 squared, that will be 7 by 7. That's 49. So by the 9. Good. Right. So here 7 into itself 1. To go into 49, that is what's 7. Then 3 into itself 1 goes into 9. That is 3. So we have 1 by 22 by 7 by 3. Right. So 22 by 7, that is 154. By 3, this is 12. 12 is 15, so that will be 16. Remainder is 1, 3, 4. So we get 462. 462, that is meters cube, because it is what? Volume. Right. Now let's look at the base area. When you are talking about the base area of the cone, the base of the cone is what? That is what? A circle. So this is not any difficult question. Yes, so the base area is just a circle, so that will be simple for us. Right, so let's look at it. For the B, since the base area is a circle, who can give us the formula for the area of a circle? Area of a circle. Area of a circle. Now you can see that we already have our radius there. The radius is there. So if you are finding the base is a circle. Who can give us the formula for finding the area of a circle? Tell us in the comment section. Alright, for the sake of time, let's move on. That will be pi r squared. So the area of a circle, that is what? Pi r squared. Please comment and share so that others can join us. We are live every dawn. Yeah, there's a brother from Ghana every dawn, 3 to 5 a day. So pi is 22 on 7. Then since the radius, we had our radius to be 7. We had our radius to be 7, so remove. So that will be 7 squared. So that will be 22 on 7 times, this will be 49. So 7 here 1, 7 here 7. So you get 22 by 7. So that will give us 154. 154. Right. So 154. And that will be meters squared. This is area. So the base area of what the cone is, that of what is a circle. Right. Then the last one, here we have the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area. Right. So who can give us the formula for that? The formula for the curved surface area. So curved surface area of a cone. Right. So the curved surface area, we have pi RL. So the curved surface area of a cone is what? Pi RL. Good. So we have pi to be 22 on 7. Then the radius is what? 7. Now we look at the diagram, that is the cone itself. This 7, that is the slant height, that is the L. So the L will be, that is what? 7. So 7 cancels 7, we get 154. right? And that is meters square. Okay, so you have all done well. I'll be back in the afternoon and the evening. Stay blessed.